creatures. Where the digital hits the physical, we take the red pill, we break the seal. Infallible security, making it real. Bharat Mattaparti on the mic tonight, turning the darkness into light.
Our final story today touches on something that forms the very bedrock of the digital world. We are going to step away from the executive boardroom and look at the open source software supply chain. Recently, the security firm ReversingLabs released a staggering report. They highlighted a devastating 1,300% increase in malicious packages discovered across major open source software platforms like NPM, PyPI, and RubyGems since 2020. Think about that number for a second. A 1,300% increase in poison code hiding in the libraries that developers use every single day. This brings us to our final red pill insight: poisoning the foundational mortar. For the last decade, enterprises have spent billions of dollars hardening their external firewalls, building intricate identity management systems, and locking the front doors. But attackers have shifted their focus entirely. They are opting instead to poison the frictionless dependency trees that developers blindly trust to build those firewalls in the first place. If cybersecurity is building a fortress, the adversaries are no longer bringing siege engines to the gates. They are poisoning the mortar at the brick factory before the fortress is even built. The tactic driving a massive part of this surge is known as Typosquatting. A developer needs a popular open source package to handle data parsing. An attacker uploads a package to the repository with a name that is just one letter off from the legitimate one. The perfect pop culture analogy for this is the opening scene of Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. Indiana Jones stands in the ancient temple. He sees the golden idol sitting on a pressure plate. That triggers a deadly trap. He carefully evaluates the weight of the idol and he smoothly swaps it with a bag of sand. He hopes that the temple's automated systems won't notice the weight difference until he's safely out of the room. That is exactly what attackers are doing to automated build pipelines. They are silently swapping our legitimate code for a malicious payload that looks and weighs roughly the same. They are hoping the developers' automated systems, pressure plates, won't notice the swap until the trap springs and the code is compiled into the final enterprise product. But once again, there is a powerful and necessary correction underway. This 1,300% surge is serving as a massive wake-up call to the software engineering industry. The era of blindly downloading internet code is ending. We are seeing a massive push towards software bills of materials, SBOMs, essentially nutrition labels for code, and cryptographic signing of packages through frameworks like Sigstore. We are finally mapping the supply chain so that developers aren't flying blind. By exposing the poison in the mortar, the industry is being forced to engineer a fundamentally safer way to build the digital world.
This is Bytes!